From an A-lister to vlogger, ganyan ang drama ni Liza Soberano na tila pinagtatawanan sa social media nowadays. From being an A-list actress kasi, biglang na-demote sa pagiging vlogger na lang si Liza, something which did not sit well with her bashers. Ang feeling ng marami, it is a demotion of sort, kasi naman, she has at the palm of her hand projects which some celebrities could only dream of or hope for, pero pinakawalan niya ito all because of her Hollywood dream na tila hindi naman nag-prosper. Now, meron na ngang YouTube channel si Liza where she is presenting everything Korean. It is a travelogue which she hopes will bring Korean everything to public awareness. Some are dishing her out for this, kasi naman, being a Filipino, or let's say Fil-M, inuna pa niyang e-promote ang Korean values, traditions, trends, food and whatever, to think na she has no Korean blood. Sa isang network website kung saan Liza's YouTube show was featured, marami ang nambash sa jowa ni Enrique Hill. Komento ng netizens, kung ano-ano na lang pinaggagawa mo, nasa na yung pangarap mong Hollywood, hanggang ngayon, no playdate pa din yung walang kwentang Hollywood movie mong Lisa Frankenstein. Yung wala kang utang na loob na kesyo gusto mo lang maging malaya sa gusto mong gawin ngayon, nasan ka na ngayon? Bakit may Liza pa dyan? Kala ko Hope na siya, Hope in Korea dapat. Di naman siya sisikat sa Korea, mag-aral na lang siya. Hope, di ba sabi niya gusto niya itawag sa kanya, yung Liza yung sikat, yung Hope ang sumikat, meron din namang nagtanggol sa dalaga. Just do your best and whatever you like in your life, you're the master of your faith and the captain of your soul. Some people here are just so crabby, when someone is doing something that they truly love, why can't you just be happy for her, or if you can't find something good to say, why bash instead?